here is a problem based on yesterday's determinant method. So let us see how to solve. So here they are given a two vectors, vector A and vector B. So what you have to calculate? Magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Options are given. How to calculate? All of you look at the board. If voice is not clearly audible, please note down the steps. Solution. First note down. Vector A is how much here? 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and vector B is 2i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. So cross product formula is vector A cross vector B. First find vector A cross vector B. Later you can calculate a magnitude. Already you know that formula to find a magnitude of a given vector. So right here vector A is 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap cross vector B. Right here vector B value 2i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Now you know how to get this answer. There is a long method and one more short method is there. We'll apply short method, that is a determinant method. First draw the box determinant method. So first write here I cap, j cap, k cap. In first row note down I cap, j cap, k cap. In the second row first write the coefficients of vector A. Listen, in the second row write vector A coefficients of a unit vector I, j, k. I cap coefficient ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3. Here reply dear students. J vector coefficient ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. Then here k cap coefficient 2. Next vector B coefficients I cap is 2. Including minus sign you have to consider. J cap it is minus 2. Then it is 4. Right? Now all of you stop writing. Just look at the board how to calculate. If you are calculating the I cap first term right here. So you have to leave this I row and this I column. ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಉಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲೇ 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಹೋದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅಪ್. ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 4 1 4 minus into minus plus 2 2 4. First term is done. Now go for second. Always it is plus minus plus. Don't forget the signs. Now minus j cap in bracket. Now just j cap first row ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Now you will get a 4 numbers 1 2 3 4. Last 4 numbers corner numbers. Now multiply from here to here. How much you will get? 3 4s are 12 like this. If I cap is there means you will get only here 1 2 minus 2 4. If it is a j cap means how much you will get? 3 2 2 4. For k cap close madri this row and last row how much you will get? 3 1 2 minus 2. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ multiplication start ಮಾಡ್ರಿ from here to here, here to here. So ಏನು ಡೌನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ that will be minus. Right? ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. Now second j cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ close this middle column and first row. How much you will get? 3 4s are 12. Next from here to here down to up minus 2 2s are 4 plus k cap. So close this first row and close this last row, last column. How much you will get? 3 2s are 6. That is minus 6. Next here 2 1s are 2 minus 2. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗಂತ? Now write final answer. 4 plus 4 8 I cap. Next plus 4 minus 4 andre plus 8 plus into minus minus 8 j cap. Next here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 k cap. Again here minus 8 k cap. This is what? Vector A cross vector B. Is it clear? Now next step is you have to calculate the magnitude of this A bar cross B bar. How will you calculate? Just you are squaring the coefficients of unit vectors I, J, K. Right? Magnitude of A cross B is equals to under root 2 vectors the magnitude calculation ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Always resultant vector, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. If it is a pq, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Note down, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Sorry, this is for resultant. Now we are calculating a magnitude. We are calculating a magnitude. They are asking a magnitude means just square of this one plus minus of 8. ಏನು I cap, J cap, K cap ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, sorry, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದದು? a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now we have to calculate a magnitude. That's why I cap, J cap, K cap ಏನು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ plus minus of 8 square. Now 8 square means how much? 64. Again minus square andre plus agutte, 64 plus 64. If you add means how much you will get, ma? 192. Right. Again magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to 192 can be written as, see option 8 is there means it's 64. 64 2s are 2 4s are 8, no, 3 4s are 12, yes, it is 64 3s are 192. Again this 64 can be written as a 8 root 3. Option is there. Which option is right? 8 root 3. Option D. Option D ma. 64 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 4 2s are 8. No, again make it 3. 3 4s are 12 means 192. Can see last digit, right? Is it clear ma? How to calculate? Copied? Can I go for next one? ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಇರೇಸ್? ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಡ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ. Note down, find the torque, find the torque. F is given, that is vector F is equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap Newton acting at a point R is equals to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap meter about the origin, so you have to calculate a torque here. So options are 17i cap minus 6j cap minus 13k cap. Option B 17i cap plus 6j cap minus 13k cap. Option C 17i cap minus 3j cap minus 7k cap. Option D 17i cap minus 6j cap plus k cap. Right? How to solve? So torque formula, solution. What they are asking? Tau. So tau is equals to perpendicular distance into force. This is the formula. You have to calculate this value. They are given R and F, right? Just apply here. Tau is equals to, pronunciation is tau. Tau, tau. Right. R is how much? 3 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. Order is very important. Cross force is how much? 2 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 4 K cap. So to do cross product, you are going to apply a determinant method. Just write here determinant. First row I cap, J cap, K cap, plus minus plus. Understood? First row ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? First vector ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. First vector is R. R coefficients 3, 2, 3. Coefficients of I, J, K. Next row ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Vector F with coefficients ಬರೀತೀರಿ. 2, minus 3, plus 4. If it is minus, please consider minus sign. Okay? Now apply the rules. Yes, ready now? First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? I cap. I cap ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So first row, first column close ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Up to down, down to up. Down to up ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾವು 2 4s are 8, minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Already ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ minus minus plus. Next, minus of J cap, always J is minus, remember. First row, middle column. What you will get ma? 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are, 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6. Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ na? J cap you are writing, just to close this one and the same column you have to close. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್, ಹೌದಾ? So 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? 3 4s are. That is plus. Next, down in the up. 2 3s are 6. Down to up minus. Adaka minus 6. Plus K cap. First row, last column. Uliteno 3 3s are 9. Already here it is minus. That's why minus 9. Here to here 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. This is 8 plus 9 17. I cap. Here 12 minus 6 plus 6 plus into minus minus 6 J cap. Here minus 9 minus 4 minus 13 and minus 13 plus 1 minus 13 K cap. So here it is a answer tau. Tau is equals to, option is there, 17 I cap minus 6 J cap plus minus 13. First option is right. Second here it is a plus. Okay, understood? How simple ಇದೆ, but you should know how to calculate a determinant. Chalo, go for next problem. Taken? Can I erase the board? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. Take next one. If two vectors, 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap and minus 4 I cap minus 6 J cap plus lambda K cap are parallel to each other to each other, then find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. Options are given 1, 2, 3, option D 6. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು. ರೈಟ್. So first what you have to do, they are given a condition here. What the condition here? The two vectors are parallel to each other. Then you have to calculate a value of lambda. So first apply the determinant method. Two vectors are given, that is right here I cap, j cap, k cap. First vector coefficients. Please tell me. First vector coefficients, right? Next 3 minus 1. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1. Now go for second vector. I cap coefficient minus 4. Minus 6. Next lambda. K cap coefficient is lambda. Right. Now apply the method. First I cap. First row, first column, cross multiplication. What you will get? 3 lambda. Again here minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Already here it is minus, 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 plus. Again the minus from this one. So minus 6. Next minus j. This is plus, this is minus, again this is plus. Now go for second j. First row, that same column. If you close this, what you will get ma? 2 lambda. Answer B. Next here it is minus 4 plus k cap. Now tell me vector k. Close the first row and the last column. How much you will get? Here minus is there. 6 2s are 12. Minus 12, right? Next here 3 4s are 12. Minus minus plus 12. Already 11 minus is there. Next here one more minus, that is plus 12. So this term will be 0. Yes. So vector A cross vector B is equals to, is right, 3 lambda minus 6 I cap minus 2 lambda minus 4 j cap. K term is 0. Now go for the question. See the condition. Parallel vector in cross product, parallel vector means theta value 0. For parallel vectors, theta is 0. Then sin 0 is 0. A bar cross B bar is equals to A B sin 0. How much you will get? AB 0. That is 0 now. Then A bar cross B bar is equals to 0. If you are well known means by seeing the parallel vector direct you can take this condition. No need to write this one. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Right? Now to find a lambda, what you have to do? You have to equate this vector A cross vector B to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಪೂರ equation equating to 0. Right here 3 lambda minus 6 I cap minus 2 lambda minus 4 j cap is equals to 0. Next 3 lambda minus 6 I cap value is 1. Leave it. Minus 2 lambda minus 4 is equals to 0. Now 3 lambda minus 2 lambda means it is lambda minus minus 6 plus 4. It is minus minus plus. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 is equals to 0. Lambda value will be plus 2. Option D. Right? Clearly understood now? Okay. Note down fast. Any doubt? find take last problem. Magnitude of A is given √5, magnitude of B is given, it is 3, and they are given a hint, and magnitude of vector A cross vector B is equals to 2 into magnitude of vector A dot vector B. So this is the given hint. Then you have to find magnitude of vector A plus vector B. Find vector A plus vector B. This is the question. How to solve? Think it. They are given a magnitude values. So we'll start from hint. What is the hint here? Note down. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to 2 into magnitude of A bar dot B bar. See the difference. Here cross is there, here dot is there. So cross product andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Formula AB sin theta. Here 2 as it is, right? AB cos theta. So here AB cancel out. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ರಿ, cos ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to 2, right? Next sin by cos andre tan theta is equals to 2, right? So now draw the triangle here, right angle triangle, it is 90, this will be theta. We don't know the theta value here, right? Just write here theta. Now theta andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Always y axis divided by x axis, opposite by adjacent. So ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this will be 2, this will be 1, right? So if you know two sides means this, you can calculate a third one by applying the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Right, this one. Hypotenuse can be calculated by square and the sum of these two sides, that is plus 1 square. This will be 4 plus 1. So √5 yes. The answer is √5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So just write here. Now what you have to calculate? Magnitude of vector A plus vector B. What is the formula? Sum of two vectors. P plus Q. ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Resultant of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta plus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ two vectors by parallelogram law of vector addition. Same formula apply here. A plus B andre A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, now see the given data. They are given a AB value, but we don't know theta, cos theta. So from this triangle, can you calculate a cos theta? Please tell me. Cos theta is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon √5. Take it and substitute here. Under square root, A value is how much ma? √5 square plus 3 square plus 2 into √5 into 3 into cos means 1 upon √5. Complete the square root. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ? Now this square root and square cancel out. This √5 cancel out. Remaining things 5, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6. How much it is? 20. How to calculate it? 20? 4 5s are 20. And this will be 2√5. This is the answer for magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Artha aitama? Can I explain once or it is clearly understood to all? Okay. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ erase the board? Take it. So now the last topic, last concepts. What are those? Sine law, cosine law and direction of cosines. These three concepts remaining in vector concept. Done. Taken ma? ಬರ್ಕೊರಿ, ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊರಿ, ರಫಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Those who are completed, put a side heading, sine law. Everyone completed? Can I erase the board? Okay. Put a side heading, sine law. Here you have to prove A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B is equals to C divided by sine C by using vector algebra. There is a derivation, so you have to prove A by sine A, B by sine B, C by sine C. Ready now? Take a proof. So there is a triangle, three sides are given means there is a triangle. You can take any triangle, either it is a equilateral triangle or a isosceles triangle, any triangle. So mark here, this is a angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, right? And this side is A, this is B, this will be C. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ angle A opposite ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ? Side angle A. A, B, C are what here? Sides, right? So angle B opposite which side is there? Small b. This is the side. Angle C opposite angle C. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Side C. Now A, B, C are what? Sides of triangle. Then these three sides, can we give a direction? Just write one more triangle. Mention a direction. So the direction is how? Head to tail or a head to tail. See here, this vector tail point and this vector head point are coinciding here, and again this vector head and this vector tail is coinciding here. Now mention the angle A, this is B, this will be C, side A, this is B, this will be C. Now more than two vectors are given means which law you are going to apply? Polygon law. Yes, did you remember? Vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equals to opposite side, resultant side, but there is no resultant side. Then what you will take? It is 0. Why? See here, tail point of this vector A is initial point. Yes, and this third vector final point is head point is coinciding here, means initial point and ending point both are same, means displacement is 0. Yes or no? Once again, in these three vectors, the first vector tail point, initial point is here. This is the initial point. And the third vector final point is here only. Both are coinciding. This is the final point. Initial and final point are same, means what you will get, ma? Displacement is 0. The condition is 0. By which law? By polygon law of vector addition. Polygon law of vector addition. Let us take it as a equation 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? You can consider any triangle and any three sides and three angles, right? Now from equation 1 I am multiplying both the sides by vector A. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? I am multiplying vector A on both the sides. Vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equals to vector A cross 0. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That's it. Now multiply inside. Vector A cross vector A plus vector A cross vector B plus vector A cross vector C. Order is very important while multiplying inside the bracket. Don't reverse it. You will get a minus sign. This is 0. Any vector, if you multiply it by 0 means you will get a 0 vector. Now already you know that vector itself gives what? In cross product it is 0. This is 0. Right. Now remaining terms, vector A cross vector B, you can send this term to right side means what you will get now? Minus of vector A cross vector C. ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಮುಗಿತಾ? It's not a 6 minute.